We're going to finish off before questions with a short video. This is from Andrew Carmody at the Health Data Exchange. Once again, Andrew couldn't join us because he's been poorly, but here's a video that he sent in his place.
Welcome to the Health Data Exchange. This is Andrew Carmody, founder and CEO. The Health Data Exchange is a British health analytics company. Our team of renowned data and medical research specialists have developed a service that significantly reduces the time and cost to build optimized cohorts for medical and wellbeing research. By lowering the barrier to entry, we enable existing players and a new generation of health and wellbeing innovators to enter the industry and meet the growing health challenges that lie ahead. In this short video, we will give an overview of the exchange, highlighting the core components of the application. Building cohorts for medical research takes months, if not years, and is prohibitively expensive. These foundation costs drive the unsustainable increase in the cost of treatments and healthcare. The Health Data Exchange reduces cost and time from this process by providing a more accurate, efficient, and less expensive way for researchers to define and build cohorts. This process starts with the individual. The Health Data Exchange enables each participant to download, store, and control their medical and behavioral data on their own devices easily and securely. The exchange employs military-grade security, so each participant can be confident that their data is safe. A robust chain of custody securely delivers the data from its source and cannot be altered by the individual. Individuals give explicit consent to the Health Data Exchange to take an anonymized index of their information that is also kept on their device. Researchers are able to query the anonymized indices of all participants to define a desired cohort and find results in near real time without accessing any personal information. Enabling this capability is an independent central service to arbitrate and operate the system in a blind manner. This service facilitates the engagement between patients and researchers without seeing or holding any personal data. The service manages the contractual and payments administration functions whilst maintaining the privacy and security of patients, all the while enabling researchers to remain compliant with data protection regulations. The Health Data Exchange is the next generation solution to an age-old problem. By enabling individuals to easily and securely own and share their whole life data, we reduce the cost and time of creating cohorts for research. The Health Data Exchange enables more targets to be explored and more innovators to take part in research. The Health Data Exchange, empowering patients, enabling innovation.